1, 2, 3, test de son, test de son, test de son. Ah, faut que je teste avec la musique, je suis trop bête. Seems to be working. So my goal will be to create the team functionalities for now. So basically admin, I would change the title of the live stream. What happened? Why don't I have sounds anymore? Anyway. So what I was saying, we need to create a team page where I can, where the administrator can manage user team. I'll check first if I do not already have some kind of a design for that, but I think I haven't created it because I thought I would not create this functionality. Yeah. No, I haven't created the page for the team. I wonder which page I'm missing. I don't even know why the website doesn't even work. So I do have a view, which I need to fix, by the way, on the number of messages. Perhaps I should implement a how do we say? How do we say that? Something to manage the messages sent by the user in order to moderate and to administrate this. So the theme, so you have the images, the colors, yeah. But the colors I wish this could be clickable anyway. The prizes, which already works. I have the user page, which could be slightly improved. I wonder if I can do it myself. Yeah, I can't. I don't know why I can't update user too. Is my search? Yeah, it works. How could I improve this? Oh, there is a bug here. What is this? The points, I don't have the points yet. Oh, and the team. I need to display the team. Oh, but I need to fix this problem in the pagination. I don't really know why I do this. User pages. Yeah. I wonder if we need this now. I don't know. But I don't understand why the pagination does not work. I mean, it does work, but I have a problem here. A display problem. Chevron right the icon. Yeah. Pagination.next. So this is the problem. The problem is the translation key. Transition key seems okay. So I'm confused. Why? What is this? HTML chart. Oh, it's a dot. My editor just crashed. Super. Yeah, go take a breakfast. I mean, there is no one on the live right now. It would be pretty short. I have some dumb error to fix. I'm tired. I don't know why it doesn't work. It doesn't seem to take the translation keys into consideration for some obscure reason. Oh, but I'm in French? No, not in French. I'm in English. But still. I did sleep. I did sleep last night, but I almost did. You see, I cannot talk anymore. I shouldn't work late because my brain can't stop working. How has the AI, because I just have to regenerate these PHP translation keys. Okay. I'm not in the best state right now. Everything is not working, like my camera is not working. Okay, it does now. No, it doesn't. Why? Hey. Oh, I don't know why my cam does not work. I don't know why the cam is like completely laggy. Okay, it seems to be working now. Not perfectly though. I guess it's because the phone is overeating. I don't get your second message. Let me run a comment. Perhaps I just have to run this, I don't know. The problem is, yeah. Let's regret it. Can you tell me how you fix error like you do also like to find for you, or what's the procedure like? Well, what you just did it some stuff and rewrite it. How do I find it? How do I find what? I don't exactly understand. So those my PHP language has been refreshed. I'm afraid it did not, but let's hope. Yeah, it did. But it has solved my issue. Yes, it did. So I have no clue why it wasn't working. Let me rerun it one more time. Because now... Okay, it works. Oh, how do I find errors? I just write perfect code, that's it. No, I just like... I know how the overall project works, and to find errors I just test it. Like, I just manually test it. Like I saw there is some HTML random chars that was not supposed to be here, and they were here because we find the files. Where are they? Because those two, I don't know, they suddenly disappeared, but I had translation file key that was not updated, and for some reason there were a invisible HTML tag inside of it, so it was not displaying properly. Otherwise, to find bugs, I just try the app, I just try the website, and I try to break it when I develop it, like for the first version of it, but I still sometimes have bugs, right? For the first version of it, so this one, I had crazy bugs. I shouldn't say it, but the very first version that never got releases, the main functionalities as crazy bugs. Like you could make a forecast for a team, and the forecast would be for the other team. So it was really bad. But thank God, this version haven't been released, and the next version, all the crazy bugs were fixed. So to find errors, I don't know. I just tried. I tried to break it. I just act as a hacker that tried to hack his own website. That's what I do. So what was it? I'm going to commit this. I changed nothing actually. It was fixed by itself, so I can't commit. It said I wanted to commit something at least today because my GitHub statistics pretty bad. Like it's been 5 days since I've committed something. While back in 2020, yeah, this is where I was working on it. 2023 was a bad year. 2024, what have I done in 2024? Anyway. So yeah, impressive, huh? The little green dot. Like 2017, nothing. And I started the project right here. And then 2019, 2020. I don't know what I've done here, perhaps holidays or something. And 2021, I don't know what I've done in 2021, but it worked a lot. Same for 2022. Yeah, and all of those comics is just this. It's just this project. So yeah. No, I need to edit the team. Where is the team? Équipe. CC set. Quizzes. This page will have some kind of refactoring. I don't know if the data are correct. Let me double check. Oh, and by the way, to find bugs, I used to at least. My co-founder was just trying to break the website in any way he could. So that's why I found all the bugs there. Otherwise, I pretty much know what I'm doing. The only thing I'm concerned about is the AI thing. Because the AI can implement bugs in my code. And since I don't carefully read what the AI write, I might encounter bugs. Oh. So apparently I do have the stats. I do return the stats. Yeah. The consistency is crazy. Well, you gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, but last year consistency was not good. But I had a bug on my GitHub account. I worked hard here, but I had a bug, and some of the project I was working on was not correctly configured in GitHub, so it didn't have my name tag, so it didn't register inside of the on the statistics, and I think I fixed the bug over there. And then 2025 was okay. Damn, it didn't work on Sunday here. By the way, what is your GitHub account? I wish to be like that. Cast a spell on me. I did cast a spell on you. Didn't receive it? Perhaps it wasn't the GitHub cast. It wasn't the GitHub spell. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a page like that. I don't exactly know how I could implement this. Perhaps doing something like this. I think I would just do some random codes. Anyway, let's add an element inside of the inside of the nav bar. And the problem is that I don't even know how the sidebar works. Layout, dashboard layout, no. App layout, no. App sidebar layout, no. Where is the handle?
I've got feelings.
App sidebar. Here we go. Close everything. Just work. How would you be hired if your GitHub is empty? Are you thinking about this? Have you thought about it? How would you be
I've got feelings.
if you have nothing to show? Why a company would hire you? Something you have to take in mind. But since the recruitment in India is kind of weird, perhaps it works. This one is great. I already have this one for the user, so I need another picto for a team. Shield user. I wonder what I could use. I'm thinking, what could I use to represent teams? A little ghost. No. Like if I say people, no, it's not good. Social. I could use something like that. But does it really represent teams? Not sure. Perhaps this one, the smile plus. Yeah, let's use this for now. It's pretty bad, but anyway. A project where it's not deployed. I mean, it doesn't need to be deployed in GitHub, it just needs to be in some repository. A repository and GitHub, of course, but oh, do you have a portfolio? No. So, prizes. Yeah, I do have teams. I'm gonna have to take a break because I need to do something real quick. No battery. I need to make a timer for 3 minutes. There we go. I have a portfolio, I'll show you someday. Nice. I mean, get inspired from this portfolio. This dude is kind of a legend in the, well, this website is quite old though. It's the portfolio of a French dude. I think it releases in like 2017 or something. And this is what I was talking about yesterday about the 3GS and the creative developer and stuff like that. Like, this dude is a genius, and if you want to find a job doing stuff like that will gets you a job pretty easily. Boom. And he's redoing it. This is the best part of it. Oh, my microphone is not correctly plugged. Yeah, he's redoing it. Yeah, it's crazy. It's really, really good. So this is him making a water feature. It's quite complicated. There is many particles and there is many math, I guess. Oh no, they create the snow weather. Anyway, it's another level of technicity. But he has a course. Quite expensive, but pretty good. Anyway, I'm not here yet. Sometimes I said to myself, Samuel, you should have done this instead of trying to be full stack. And the 3 minutes have passed. Why my AirPod are connected to this phone? So, I need to create a new page, and I need to create a new controller. I need to create a new model. Be right back. Welcome back. I need to set another timer for like 1 hour and a half or something. No, 1 hour. By the way, this phone is the best iPhone Apple have ever created. Anyway. So let's go to NPC. PHP artisan, make model. No. Team of visual. Okay, so I did just go. Should I call it team or user team? This is something I have to think about. I think I should call this user team. Yeah. Oh, because little messages are called chatbot messages, even though it's not a many-to-many relationship. But this is a many-to-many relationship. Question options. Yeah, I might call it. I might call it user teams. You know. User team controller. Index. User teams that index, and this will return the. There is too many files in this project. I'm losing my mind over that. Let's duplicate the prices and call it user team. And just return this for now. And will be user teams. There we go. So now if I refresh it, just navigate to teams. It doesn't work because I didn't change the sidebar root name, which is user teams. And now sure enough, we do have it working smoothly. And now I need to do the design, of course. But first I need to create the migration and stuff like that. Anyway, policy I don't care, the factory I don't care, the contractor I do care, user team model I do care, the request I don't know, I really do care. One second. Yeah, let's create the migration. I don't really know. Am I connected on GitHub here? No. Let's check the repository. 42 repository. Damn. No. $20 repository. Damn. Migration. Teams. Oh, it's a player team, which is not great. So yeah, I need UID. I mean, I can get inspired from the prizes stuff. This will be my reference for this works. This will have a UID. This will have a name, a JSON one, of course. Damn, I didn't enable translations. And an image. Well, I think that's all. What is this? Why there is rank variation? I think this should be in another table. And of course, a relation to the database. Previous rank. Constrained. Table platforms, undated cascade. Yep. I think that's it. What do I need? Just title and an image, right? fix the model, right? The second thing to do. Yeah. Oh, and I have to update the middleware. This is extremely important. As factory, extend model. Why do I need an observer? I don't even remember. Oh, to forget the cache. I totally forgot that I had cache in the play. I mean, it won't be. It's not a price observer. Let's remove it from now. Add some station, of course. Translatable with just the name. Should be called name or title. The name of the team, the title of the team. Let's go to the name for now. No, you work. You're so distracted. You want my failure. You want me to fail epically. I see clear through your game. And I need to create a new ID. This would be user team. Singular. Boom, boom, boom. I also need to have a yes, I do need this, but I also do need a method for the I also need a user thing. Yeah, but this will come in as a period. Public static function get you on Teams. So you almost got it right? I need to import a cache. Cache facade. Platform user Teams. Cache return user Teams. But wait a minute, why the model is prioritized? Don't tell me off. No. I bet it S. It's not correct. Refactoring. Yeah, I need to refactor stuff. I need to do this for every. This is correct though. Yeah, this is correct. Need to rename this. Rename that. What else? User team is controller. Need to rename that too. So bad. Boom, But I need to also change it on the web routes because I don't think it changed by itself. Yeah, it did. This is the power of JetBrain. I'm glad I pay a tremendous amount of money for this text editor. Sometimes it can be useful. And it's not a user team, it's like users. User team. I don't even know. I should be called. Player teams. And if I go check the model, player team, no, there is no S. Yeah, so that's correct. Rename. I got too much distracted. Oh no, it's raining. User teams Cedar. This is not correct. Now everything is correct. Get current teams. Get current user teams. Here we go. And the user team. I mean, it's kind of useless to just put this inside of the cache, but anyway. And that's why we've. No, this is not correct at all. Order by. That doesn't work. I hope this should be ordered by name. Name. Ask. Here we go. And now in my middleware, oh no, I should create a seeder, but for that I will ask the AI. Create seeder for my users. Teams. Damn, the weather is bad.
Fred McKinley, bro, send me that song you done with Jamie.
Why did you create a factory? Oh no. Factory. I mean, should I create factories for that? No, I didn't create any factory. Just we create some factories. I didn't. It's so bad. It's so bad. What have you done? Count 7. Create. Create some additional random teams across both platforms. It doesn't work like this. Random name. Manage platform the number between 1 and 2. Reference the platform created in the platform seeder. Okay. Perhaps I should keep it. But the team names is not great. And he run a bunch of stuff. I don't even know what he's done. He's trying to he's trying to test if the implementation is correct. But since I didn't migrate anything, he's confused. Change the name of the teams. I want something like HR department, sales, stuff like that. Just ask me. Oh, sales team, marketing division. That's what I want. That's what I want. It wasn't that complicated. And team seeder. Count 10. Count 8. I think I can remove this. I don't have battery anymore. Oh, shoot. How could I do this? Oh, I can't. So the quality might be worse now, but I mean, I don't have any more battery in my microphone, so I have to find a way. Let's continue. Team Factory. So yeah, it's way better, but the image is pretty bad. Image URL. category business. I don't know how we get the image. Like the faker thing, I don't know how we get images. But in the CJ, I will just remove this line because we don't really care about it. And then we need to update the middleware. So ensure current platform, we need to add this basically, so we can scope every so yeah, tenant, I don't really remember what they stand for, but anyway, and where, what is the column? User teams, ensure current platform, user teams, that platform ID, and this is it. Oh, user team, user teams. Here we go. And now every team is scoped by the current platform. So there is no, and a platform A cannot access to the teams of platform B. This is somehow, it's faking multi-tenant because I just have a single database. At the beginning I wanted to have as many databases as client, but it's not maintainable really. And now I think I can run migration. PHP artisan migrate fresh dash dash seed, which will erase all of my data and recreate it. But I don't really care. Just that I don't have question option. I should also ask the AI to create question options. Anyway. And user teams. Here we go. I have no clue what this euro means. It doesn't work. This is what I was thinking. Because this website has been down. I've been taken down. Sadly. Yeah. Now it's this one that has been replaced. That sucks. Placehold. I'll try to ask the AI to use this. Do not use figure for the images because their place order is not online anymore. Use placeholder. Okay. I hope you will understand. I sincerely hope. And I take a small break. Come back. Let's try it one more time. And now, if I just extract this, paste it, yeah, it works. It's pretty ugly, but it works. So now I need to modify the platform model. Here we go. So now if I just go to this tinker and I go and I say no, it won't work. I don't have the history, but if I say app slash models slash app slash models slash platform find one. How am I supposed to do? But there is no uppercase. It's anti-slash. Here we go. And then if I do this, and then use teams, boom. I do have the teams. That's correct. Bim, bim, bum, bum. So it works. So in a user team controller, instead of prices, I can just say user teams, and I say user teams, team, and I get count user team. And instead of this, we can say user teams, and I just say, oh, I need to create a resource. So exit, PHP artisan make resource, user team resource. now in a resource folder, I should be able to see the new created resource. Boom, 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 boom. And then we have a UID, a name translation. Yeah, we do have this. And we have an image. Well, that's it, I think. In the platform resource, do I have the links? No, I don't. Okay, that's nice. Bum, 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 bum. User teams in the user team resource. Here we go. And I can remove the unused import, unused namespace. I don't know if it's that namespace. I'm so bad at PHP, this is embarrassing. Hello Steven, what's up? Have you finished shooting your videos? I have clothes that is currently drying, and I think I have like 1 hour left. So I won't be able to eat until like 1 p.m. Taking a break. Going to rake Codex CLI. But don't you already record Codex CLI when we were in a cafe? But the usage limit is actually insane. It's even more insane than what's the name of it? Cloud Code? Because to me, like I've heard that Cloud Code is kind of crazy. Yeah, and I've just passed the 100 views on YouTube and also on TikTok. Nothing crazy, but I have the same amount of views on TikTok and on YouTube. But the user 3 hours coding and I reached 25% of my weekly limit. This is crazy because look at me. Look. You see? Like I use it every day. And I'm just at 50%. And I have 17 days left. I've actually never how do we say that? Never ran out of quotas. Imagine waiting 6 days after 8 hours of coding. How much do you pay? I pay $40 because I have the ultra version, JetBrain AI. I think I paid yeah. Yes, but I think even if I pay double the price, I get like 10 times the amount of it. I have zero limitation whatsoever. So what do I pay? Oh, I could pay this for you, like 300 USD. So it's like 25 per month. 25 per month, and you have the. I think it's equivalent to the $40 plans. I don't know why I didn't do this, but anyway. Yeah, so see, it's $30 a month. And but I think since I have the since I do have the, how do we say, the organization plan, I just pay $60. But I get more AI credit apparently. Anyway, per year it's nice. I would test it out. Pricing are just insane for CLI. This is not CLI. JetBrain is not a CLI. It's just this thing. I don't know how they manage this because I use I don't even remember which model I use, but settings I use I use 74. There is only 3 model available. Like, it's not, you won't be mind blown by this, trust me, you won't be, but I think it's a nice I think for me it's decent because I can use my favorite text editor with an AI that works okay. But since now Code exists and CLI exists, it's kind of useless. So that's why I just, my license for JetBrain, the editor, ends up in like December, and I'm not sure I will renew it. I will either try Z, or I will either try Newton. So I don't know. So now I have to type because obviously none of this will work, and if I go to this page and I refresh, obviously everything will crash. Yes. Oh, it's because I'm not logged in. But why do I have console errors? Here we go. Could not identify another. Why this is not working? Oh, because it's G's and stuff. Oh, that sucks. How could I order bronze on a JSON table like this one? Now, what's your plan for the rest of the day? Do you plan to go to a cafe? I was thinking of going to Jamshid actually, because You told me about a nice cafe that you wanted to try. I think it's a cafe near the lake. I don't know if you're still here though. When working with JSON column like this, you need to use our JSON path syntax. You can't do queries. Oh, okay. Oh, but I can't know, because if there is no French or English words, I'm doomed. Order by current app local. So that's better. Order with fallback language, that's even better. Using Kerberter with JSON path. No. I will use the fallback method. I don't know if it will work though. But the fallback is not used. Fix this. Going back to recording, have a good stream. Are you still here? Because I asked you a question, but it didn't seem to be here. I was thinking about going to. I repeat myself, but I was thinking about going to Jamshir. In the cafe that you wanted to try. I don't know why. I don't know how this works. This thing is something I don't really like. Like ordered by a row. It's something I'm not convinced by. I would clean the cache there because this could run some errors. This part is in cache clear, and if I refresh it, it works. I don't know why the code changed, but anyway. Let me text my phone. So, I shouldn't be working, but this shouldn't be the error that does not exist. Code is just an extra. This is exactly why I didn't want it to have this. I mean the local, but the fallback, there shouldn't be any fallback actually. Because there is already a fallback scenario. Let me re-clear the cache. Here we go, it works. Then we can see. User teams, admin teams. Is this correct? Yeah. So now I need to change the prices type by the user teams preps type. And the user team interface, so I could use it in my VGS files. Boom. So what interface did it create? Demonstration. Yeah, it seems to be exactly what I want. Yeah, perfect. Oh, that's not perfect, but anyway. This perhaps I shouldn't have said think more. Hello. Sorry I didn't see a message. It's been a while, but it's been a while since I streamed too, so what's up, man? So here I can just display if I refresh, nothing displays. Bum, 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 bum. Because it's missing an S. There we go. So we do have the teams. This is not correct, like absolutely not correct. This is not correct. Resource. Not this resource, this one. Oh. Yeah, the issue is I should get a I should add a check. So if the image is starts with an HTTPS, I should bypass the S3 storage bucket and just display this directly. I think I did something like that in a previous project, but I don't remember which one was it. It wasn't this one. Perhaps it was the setup links. Now this was a head of a project that I've never finished. Too many projects. The problem is the marketing strategy. It's always the same thing. I don't even have resources. Apparently no, I do not. So it was directly in the model. That's kind of weird. No. Icon. I have no clue how it's handled. Anyway, so it wasn't on this project. Which one was it? This one? I don't know. HTTP. Yes. Competition seeder. Image, this image. I might have issues. I might have some issues here. How could I do something like if the data is an URL, then don't fetch from the bucket. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, I think it was something like that. Filter validate URL. Not on this project. Not on this one. Not on this one. Oh, so it was on this one. Oh, so yeah, this was the. Wow, this was the thing. So I need to do this in every models. In every resources, sorry. Bam, 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 bam. Option 3, start with using a helper method. I might use an helper method, but the problem of this helper method is that I would need to use it to create a base model class, and every model will have to extend from this base model. So yeah, this is a recommended thing, but I'm not sure. Starting with is the recommended thing. I think filter validity URL is better. If I do this, for instance, I have to clear the cache, of course. I refresh the page. Sure, we do have the right URLs. And if I go to prices, sure, we do have the right images. The problem is that I would need to do this on every resource, which is clearly suboptimal. Oh, but it works in prices because I didn't change the logic. But if I change the logic here, and I once again remove the cache, and I refresh, here it works, but on prices would it work? Yes, it does. But this is painful to use. Like to having a custom method is obviously better. But I would need the method, the helper method. on many models. How could I optimize this? Bim, bim, bam, 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 bam. So it will try to extend the base model for sure. Oh no, I can create a trait. That's nice. Create a helper class. If you prefer helper class approach, I have no idea what it is. Implement the trait solution. Get imager. Yeah, use has measure now. Okay, so if I import the trait, I can use the method. Yeah, I would use this. This is creating more development than I've wanted to. But anyway, where should I create a trait method though? Resource concern. Resource concerns. What is this? Wide execution, every convention, the concerns I should like this. I don't know. I would follow the and put it directly inside of a resource, but that yeah. New folder. Concerns. And I can directly create the traits inside of this, okay? New PHP class. Name as image URL. It's a trait. Yeah. No. As image URL. And now I will house the AI to build it for me. So build the trait to implement the as in the get image URL. Damn. Oh, it changed this the entire indentation. But that's okay. Now we'll have a clean code. And that's perfect. This is a better solution that I would have come with, because I would have just created a base model. I would have extended this. Why did you change that many things? Like, come on. Token builder. Why on earth would you need this? Sometimes I don't understand what it does. I need to create an observer too. Okay, let's import it. Yeah, why not? Use the team policy. Oh, come on, why do you remove this? No, 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 no. Don't touch this. I never asked him to do this. Get image URL. Now this is correct. Use the team resource. Use team factory. Yeah, okay. Use the team. Why? Why? But okay. Platform resource. Okay. I need to check the trait. Why URLs? Get me to once. No one used that. I don't know. Platform resource, yeah. As you measure, yeah, okay, I just watched it. User team seeder. Platform. Okay, you change the order and stuff. Okay. Okay. Competition resource. Okay. But the prizes has not been updated, right? No, yeah, it's been updated. But the question thing has not been updated. The question option. And the chatbot has not been updated too. Update chatbot resource. Event resource, does he have it? No. Edit resource, no. Chatbot message, no. Chatbot resource, yes. Content section, no. Language, no. Platform user, no. Question, no. Question. Pas bonjour. Comment ça va? Comment ça va, pratique? What's up? Stylé, Agila? And this is it, yeah. Have you fixed your problem with your crash with Gecko and stuff? I'm curious if you have found a solution. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. I found a very dirty, very ugly solution. So, the solution that you sent me, where you just had to code a method like, I don't know, the kill method or something, didn't work. Bien bourrin, like we say where I am coming from. Yeah. Bien bourrin, bien dégueulasse. Ça fait le taf. Okay. So what do you do? What you could do, I could have done, I don't know if it's possible, but you could encapsulate this inside of Docker containers and just remove the Docker container and spin another one. I don't know if it could work. Probably not, because it would take too much time to spin up another Docker container. Edit the current inside the Docker environment to restart the container, everything. Oh yes, so so this was my solution. I think I did the same thing for my scrapper. I don't have a cron that just restart the container every 30 minutes, but I think I have something like that. Because I had the same, kind of the same issue. Well, not the same issue, but I had an issue. I think I talked about about this issue to you, and my solution was just to kill everything and to restart it whenever there is a bug, or if I just hit a threshold in terms of memory usage. I was 4 minutes of processing per hour, so not 100% optimized, but overall I have more drivers since it's restarted before the memory leak got too big, so I process more euro per minute. So overall, is it more performant or less performant? And have you um, successfully have you asked for a new server back to 60 per minute, 1 euro per second, and suddenly you're pretty good, proud of me. Yes, that's pretty good. So in total, how much like do you achieve the goal of fetching, I don't know, 1 million um, ads per month or something? Why but it went from 23 to 30 per minute? Now you just need to add more servers. 2.6 million per month. This is insane. This is actually insane. I'm always, I talked about uh, the fact, like, I have a friend who use um, Cloudflare like crazy. Everything he does, he uses Cloudflare. And I talked about, I asked him, guess how much um, storage does your company uses? And I can't believe it. 7.5 million screenshot. So how much storage do you use right now? Like when we talked, we were at 250 terabytes around. How much do you process now? How much do you have you stored? And do you have implemented some optimization solution like compressing the images or compressing the videos? Oh, and you also create thumbnails now, don't you? So it must be a nightmare. That's my next job. Okay. My good luck with that. I don't know what you could use because it will increase the process time. So I think you would have. No, you can't. You'd have to use another server. I don't know. Because it will slow you down like crazy. Oh. What? No, I don't know. I wonder if you can take screenshot in low resolution. What the fuck? You gain 20 terabytes in a week. I think you gain 20 terabytes in a week, so 20,000 gigabyte. Both want maximum resolution. No, like 4K resolution. This is not a good idea. $90 million object stores. Have you submitted the idea of using a Glacier? Amazon S3 Glacier. I don't know what the price is. and it's in Korean. I don't know how much cheaper it is. $1 per terabyte. The Glacier or for what you pay right now, or a Cloudflare, because Cloudflare is not $1 per terabyte, I guess. Because if you only pay like $300, it's pretty okay to me. It's pretty fine, well optimized. Um, so use the code. Okay. Excuse me. Yeah, but even on infrequent queries object, I still need to query them quite often. Oh, my camera is dying right now. I wonder if it's because it's overheating. Glacier. What you could also do? No. This is dumb. We would just only increase the amount of. Since you don't have ingress problem, my solution is garbage. Because I was about to say, you could just create several versions of the same image with different resolution, but it's stupid. It would be useful if you had an ingress problem. But I wonder if you could if you can use like a classic VPS. I don't know, perhaps it will be more expensive. I have no clue. I scrapped all of. Oh, so you did scrap them. You shouldn't say that in live though. Anyway. Let's use concurrent CDN. You're gonna get flagged. Like, you're gonna get flagged by the second if you're doing this. Because if you directly send back the CDN, then they will suddenly see a spikes in their ingress statistics now. Need problematically an object named let them pay the bill for us. This is shady, man. Like, I don't know if I would have the nerve to do this. I would have been so scared. But I mean, if you say it's okay. just ego boost. You know, of course I won't rely on production. Oh, okay. But he used as setting to download ads, not on Facebook anymore for sure. But how their data reliable? Because the last time we checked, it was completely trash, right? Yeah, it works. I don't know why it's not like full read, but here we go. How could I should put the team image here. I also don't understand why it's on the line. I card footer, I should, yeah, add the action stuff. So I will remove this and put the image, and the image will be uh, size 5. Use it in that image. The data set, but the data sucks, but they have media downloaded. Not getting ads from them, just the media they downloaded. Okay, so you find a way to map the ID of the ads in Facebook and the ID and the URL of the CDN. Legal department does not have any image. Okay. Like a VF user team that image, and then VRs. I can put the user back. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. Nice. I'm gonna have to take a break. I need to check if my clothes are dry now. I'll leave you with the music. I'm not. Because I'm in a light mode, that's what he meant. Actually, light mode is better for the eyes than dark mode. Oh, if my camera just crashed again. I need to find another way. Fuck. Yeah. No. Yeah. And it works pretty good. I don't know how you do it in light mode. There's nothing really crazy. I mean, my Mac, it's like when the sun goes down, it is switched in dark mode. So, and every app that I use are sync with the theme of the Mac. So at a certain time, like 8 p.m., everything's done dark. Because dark mode is better if you work in a, I don't know, in a dark environment, and it emits less blue light also. But if you invert the light, your eyes and your brain has a better is way more efficient to make the focus and the letters. Like for your brain, it's way easier to read black letters on a white background rather than trying to read white letter on a black background, because it requires too much power to just do the focus. So, and this is not like bro science, it's actually true. Like, it's less draining for your eyes to read like this rather to read on a dark mode. And I've noticed this, like, because before that I only used dark mode, and after a few hours, I had some kind of headaches, and not like crazy headaches, but small headaches, because I figured it out that the brain and the eyes was working even more to just try to make the focus in the words. So yeah, light mode is better. Sorry about that. I get that dark mode when the room is bright is hard on the eyes and vice versa. Yeah, but I would say I use white mode in like 80% of the time. I don't know why it's not perfectly aligned. Yeah, it's better right now. Don't let me hold you back. The music makes this cutting session distance. Like, is it the balance between my voice and the music is okay? It's always something I'm just trying to figure out. By the way, I will end up this stream pretty soon. I've done most of the work I wanted to do. No, I don't need this. Oh, I can't need this, because it would be like enable, disable. and it would be hello switching. So it's not visibility form anymore, it's like switching team form. Boom, 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 boom. It's is switching team enabled. Platform value, yeah, even though it doesn't exist right now. Yeah, so much things to change. Change visibility. Like let's outcode it as false. Now, will it work? Yeah. It's not enterprise, it's like user teams. And this will change also. I think you can implement this on the platform controller, on the platform migration. Sorry. What is this now? Where's the platform? Here we go. Is switching team enabled? Switching team enabled. Default false. So now I had to add this to the model. Oh, and I have to create a. I really do have to create a. And I'm thinking about it. I have to create a observer. Season make observer user team. Here we go. The observer will be here just to clear the cache when there is a change. It's raining like crazy outside. So, platform. Here we go, switching team enable, and then in the resource, the platform resource, boom, boom, here we go. And I have to change also the typing. I think it's the index.ts, here we go. Platform, where is it? It's here. Boom, boom, boolean. Switch to enable boolean. Here we go. So now, in the user team, I can say what can I say? Where is this? This one. Switching team enable. Here we go. And now I need to run the migration. Because right now, I think I don't know if it will return something. Probably an error. No, not even errors. I think since it's null, it's considered as false probably. And I will just create, update the observer, and I will end the stream here. I think it was a pretty good session. So, cache, forget. User team, platform, subdomain platform team. Nope, it's not this. Middleware, intercurrent platform. How do we call it? This is not on this one. This is on the model, and this one particularly dash platform user teams. So where is the observer? Here we go. So this one, and I should put this everywhere. Why it's called event? Okay, no, never mind. It's normal. Here we go. I think that's wrap it up for today. Yeah. Like 2.3 hours, like 2 hours and a half of streaming is okay. How does this thing work? Is it a grid system that I've done? If it's the case, it's suboptimal. Yeah, I've done a grid system. Even if it's optimal or not, how the prices works. Is it a grid system too? Yeah, it's a grid system too. So, it's fine. Like if I do in Zoom, yeah, okay. I'm thinking if I should kill it or not. I think I did a pretty good job today. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.